What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Is she wearing a Slipknot t-shirt? What are you into? What are you into, bro? Bro, let me see what you're straight up looking Ryan Mess on that Sailor Moon right there.
This is our most normiest friend ever. Our most normiest friend ever exists. Let's go further.
Really a freaking... Hey, ayan na. Why did you... Every time you click the tiles, it's gonna change songs. Every time you click the tiles, it's gonna change songs, bro. Uy, wag mo sirahin, Gogi. You're the cameraman again. Yes, who's back? Back. Hey guys, look at my balls. From the arcade's balls.
Maniac!
It defines
It's
where
my
characters.
ball.
Saan nandito? They're not even buying coins.
You had an ID, you had a card.
Don't think that's unlocked.
We're gonna get some tokens. How many much money have I?
Can we?
Yep, we're gonna have unlimited fun. You see how much power I have. 360! We're gonna give this to them.
Daku is walking Papunta sa kanyang manga friends, which is the holies.
Power of Moses.
It does.
Oh my god! Executive! Come back and take a slide! Back and take a slide! Paint! Get the green paint!
Wait, is that Demon Slayer?
Yeah, wait,
Oh,
what?
like a guy got lost?
O yan, kuha na kayo, tigi-isa-isa.
Why only one?
Get anyone you want.
I want to play the piano tiles. Go play the piano tiles. Come on, let's be fair. Explain it. No! No!
Tara, pantay natin sila after nila. Baka mamaya may sumunod sa atin.
Daku is now walking with the Hollies. They're about to play a piano.
There ain't no way they're gonna... What the hell? I have no idea. They're just literally spamming it. They're just literally spamming it and they're not...
No, ano yun yung ano? Yung nai-react
Ako naman. No.
Oh no! Shit!
How the fuck do you cancel this? What the heck?
Great, you wasted 4
Never mind. No, it's fine, guys.
This is copywriting ano, Aryan. Joke lang, Aryan.
I'm gonna die.
What are you looking at?
I'm the better runner, man, bro.
What are you looking at?
This is why I'm fitted for the job. I'm taller.
Freaking vodka! Once I get your they are professional ass, nigga. Katara. I didn't say that. Wait, apology video na agad. Wala pa. Sorry. I'm sorry, I didn't say the hard R's. I didn't say the hard R. But still, I'm so sorry. This is an apology video for being racist.
So back to that.
I got influenced by this dude. Tara, magkano tayo mag-influence?
It's getting faster and faster now.
It's giving.
It's getting faster and faster, Dad.
I'll be here forever. Get out over sleeping.
Oh, it's getting faster. You got the biggest score. You got the biggest score.
Oh. Nawala bigla sila.
Adrian's gonna play now.
Magkano yan? Yen. Magkano yen?
Kami naman dalawa, guys. Wait, what? You started already? It's starting already.
What was Bang Bang, bro?
I have no idea where they go.
Tapos na ilaro namin.
And they said the hoodie be a nightmare.
Now let's find the pretty guards. Pretty guards. I don't know. Where did Margot go this time? What the hell?
Stop shooting balls. Let's go bowling. Tickets. Yo, give me 1 token. I'm gonna play something.
Where are you going?
Yeah, that one. I'm playing.
Bro's really feeling it. Meanwhile, those 3 here is just doing things.
Bro, they lost before us. What? They lost before us.
It's not starting, my 2 tokens.
It's the button dude.
Okay, it's gone. Hindi nag-i-start. It's gonna do the back of deck slime. Nope, I can definitely get that. Bro, what? You're not gonna get it. Come on.
Dipsy Lala. Bro's trying to get posed so bad.
Oh, I got an idea. What if I grab the hands instead of the...
We're not getting the Bakudetto slime, guys. Let's go gambling! Oh dang it! Let's go gambling!
I'm gonna get it!
No! Right! Oh my god! No! Who did you almost get? Ew, Shigaraki. That's a Shigaraki!
Get the creamy one. Yung tunog. You get it? Sino nakakuha?
No, nakatagong siya sa gising ko.
No one claiming it?
Didn't close. The claw didn't. I don't.
Oh! Dude, I can't. We're going bankrupt, bro. This is all we had left. That's the last one.
For real? I didn't even press it.
Bro, that was a Oh, that's so close.
It didn't close.
It's a scam. Ito na dito scam.
Okay, guys, should we?
What the heck? How many do you got? What the heck? Where did you get that? This is our last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. You're going on a different spot, bro? Seriously, bro?
I want that too.
The inner Adrian! Where the frick is Adrian? He got all the coins. Oh, it's Adrian. Give me the other coins, bro. Right.
Do the web, do the web. Oh my god! Yeehaw!
Guys, I wanna ride. Wala kayo nakita, guys. Wala kayo nakita.
That was nothing, yeah. Stop that! Oh.
Just a tiny ass amount.
Dude, meron pa oh. Go, Nika, go. Redemption arc, redemption arc.
I want candy.
There's no way he spent his last token on candy. He didn't even get any.
Get the fucking candy, bro. Get the freaking candy. Get the candy. Get the candy. Get the candy. Go.
I know it.
Taste test. Taste test. Tastes like Sa JC guys, sa JC.
Y'all left me. I was playing police.
What the heck? Dude, lagyan mo na dun. Ayan na. Kukunin na namin yung price namin. I wonder what are we gonna get in this one?
I have a credit card.
Yeah. Si Moga. Okay, kaya mo yan. Kailangan ipasok mo, bro. Get it in, bro. Let's go. Get that shit in. Guys, we didn't get anything surprise kasi uuwi na si JC. So, pag pumila pa kami din, matatagalan pa kami. So, kailangan namin antayin yung, yun, kailangan pa namin mag-antay. So, matatagalan kami ng oras. Tapos malilate ako, pag-late siyang uwi. Isa rin yung kasama namin. So, we're gonna eat some food now. Mukbang time.
Sana na walang maraming tao sa akin.
Sana maraming tao.
Easy up.
Okay. Okay. Hawak kamay, di kita iiwan sa pagkapat. What are your thoughts? The what? What is up with you and mushrooms?
Mushroom.
What?
I want ice cream.
Oh, she wants mushroom.
Mushroom.
Ano pong thoughts niya?
Dick.
Thoughts? Blank.
Bako Jack Slime.
Nakakaya kayo guys.
Cringe na ako. Kasi tingnan nyo naman, oh.
Lagi puno-puno yung Jollibee.
Itwell mga anak.
I am your mother.
This is your tito, your uncle.
Yeah, I'm your one weird uncle.
Yeah, they have uncle issues. Can I taste your cream, bro?
Give it a taste.
I'm gonna be ordering
200 ito.
Si Marco hindi pa siya nakakaano.
200 yan.
It tastes like...
Hey, don't forget, you owe me 50.
Okay na lang. Di ba naiintindihan na rin eh. Saan mo binili yan sa contest?
Huh? Ilaaw.
Look at this motherfuckers. They had spoon in their mouths. They bring the spoon, bro. Kasi I'm gonna buy one of this.
I'll share that spoon with you.
Guys, ang sarap, guys. Hindi makakain yung kama naman kasi tinapon niya yung spoon niya.
Who's freaking hair?
Who you trying to kill off?
Patayin mo yung beans.